Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to get this look. The red lips with a wing liner. Whenever you do red lips, you want to not have too much going on, like the eyeshadow and all that. In my opinion, I like to do simple wing liner with the red lips and lots of glow. Alright, if this is something interests you, keep on watching, and if not, you have a choice. Exit out and go watch a different video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So let's get to it. I like to do my eyes first and then my face. Some people do their face first and then their eyes. I have moisturized my face, moisturized. As you can see, I don't have a perfect skin. I have like some breakouts that's happening. They've been here a while because I picked at them. So, eyes. I'm going to do this wing liner. I used to do it differently, but now I've learned a new way to do it, which makes your eyes like the almond shape. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to look in the mirror and do it. So basically what you do is you create a wing from here to here, and then you connect from the middle of the lid to that end of that line that you created. It would be hard for me to look in the mirror and do this. So I'm going to look in the camera and do it. So I'm going to look in the mirror and do it. But before that, I'm going to prime my eyelids. To prime, I like to use this concealer, which I don't know how to pronounce. So. And I like using a beauty blender or any kind of sponge. This is the one by LC Cosmetics. It was like a giant one, but it was too big, so I cut it. This is it. I just burped. Excuse me. So just blend that in. So after that, I like to do, and we're going to do red lips today, so I like to have some gold eyes with red lips. It always looks good, in my opinion. So I'm just going to use a highlighter. We're going to be using the Becca one. It's dirty. Put that on the eyelids. You can always use your fingers too. Sometimes it's easier to just use your fingers to get that on there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's such a pretty gold. By the way, I'm no makeup artist, so for all the makeup artists out there, if I'm doing something wrong, sorry, not sorry. I'm just doing what works for me and showing you guys what I do. I've been loving this eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys can see. There, down. Okay, I think this is a sweet spot. We're gonna draw a line. You want it to be, what do you call it, like with your brow thing. So from here, up. See, you do the tip first. I'm gonna do it on this side. And don't worry if you mess up like I just did. You just take a Q-tip and fix it. I mean, I'm sure there are better ways to wet the Q-tip, like a makeup remover. So I would suggest doing that instead of this. So you can. Oh, can you guys see? So now that you have that, you want to connect from the center of thing to the end of that. Good luck. It takes some practice. I'm not really good at it. Like, as you can see, this line does not look perfect. This thing. But I don't care because I can always perfect it with a Q-tip. So don't stress it. And don't do this when you're in a hurry because it's never going to look good. Trust me on that. Alright, Wish me luck. So you go from the center, which is here. I'm gonna look down and do it, but I'm hoping you guys can see, and connect it to the end. Whew. Always can do the side right and then the other one. And then you go in and you fill in that spot. Can you see? Can you see what it looks like, kind of? Okay. Now the side. Center to the end. It's always harder to do it on this side. Okay, I think it looked decent. Now you just fill in this part. That's the easy part. And then fill in this one. Don't get frustrated if you don't get it with the first try, because even I've done it many times and I can get it with the first try. So be patient. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It gives your skin such a nice glow. So you just take a little bit and put it all over your face. It's a primer, but I use other primers with it too because I want to have that flawless skin look. I usually keep a towel next to me so then I don't wipe my hands on my pants. But I don't know where the towel went. So one second. I'm going to be using this Pore Minimizing Primer by Smashbox. People put it only places that have pores, and I put it all over myself. Not myself. All over my face. Don't put it all over your face. Sit. Oh yeah, I always make sure I wear eye cream. So I do have eye cream on right now. Now, foundation time. I've been loving this foundation by Anastasia, the Luminous foundation. I like using a beauty blender to apply my foundation. What's wrong with you? The only thing I don't like about this is the pump. Pump starts acting up. So now it's when you go blend, blend, blend. This process of blending takes a while for me because I like that flawless finish and I believe it's in the blending. So get used to it. It's like a cardio for my arms. Oh yeah, don't forget to wet your beauty blender. Okay, so we're back after an hour of blending. I took a nap, I ate, hydrated, and all of that. Next step, concealer. And I like to mix these two concealers. This is the NARS one, and this one by Tarte. Hopefully you can see it. And if you can't see, as I said, I'll put it in the comment section. So just dab, 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 like you were dabbing earlier for another hour for your concealer. Okay. So for my under eye, I like using this Mercier eye brightening powder to set my under eye. You probably won't be able to see it, but I like to put did not mean to do that. Woo! This is why my videos end up being entertaining. I did not mean to do that. So take the beauty blender, dab it in here, and then I place it under my I purposely, because I'm baking, so I purposely take a big, generous amount. Only kind of baking I do. While we got the under eye baking, we're gonna, what do you call it? Set the foundation. And I've been loving this Airbrush Flawless Finish thing by Charlotte Tilbury. I just like to take a fluffy brush, do that, and then tap, tap, tap. And then after doing this, I'm gonna take a beauty blender or one of these guys. I don't know, like fluffy, I don't know what they're called. And then I'm gonna press the powder in. So just take that guy and press it in. Just kind of like pushes the, I'll do it even under the eyes. I'm gonna remove the excess, don't you worry. I don't really know how to contour, just so we're aware. I just like to add some warmth to my face. I call that contouring, but it's not like the real contouring. Start coughing from that powder. Just giving myself some cheekbones that I don't have. And then there's a glow thing that I love adding. I'll show you guys. It's by Mercier. It gives such a subtle glow to your face. It's not like a visible highlighter, but it just like it glows in all the right. It's like a translucent powder, but the glow one. I wish I could show you guys what it looks like. Oh shoot. Kind of like, I'll show it on my hand. Like, it's really pretty. Just take my word for it. It's very subtle and it's a pretty glow. Trust me. I like to take like a little fluffy brush. And then put a little bit here. And I like to do that. Since it's not like a very heavy highlighter, that's okay if you put a little bit more than usual. Because it's a pretty glow. You're not gonna regret this glow. Brows? Like, I don't focus on my brows too much because I have brows. God, this powder, man. So I'm just gonna fill in the bold spots that I have. I like using this Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. So you just want to do the stroke like the same way that your eyebrows are. Like do little lines like their hair. I filled in here where I was like kind of balding. Okay, next step is going to be removing this excess thing under eyes. Get a very soft, fluffy brush. Now we're gonna move on to lips. I want to do red lips, and this lip color is so pretty by Stila. So, line your lips. I've done a tutorial on how to do red lip thing, so just follow that for the lips. I don't want this video to be super long. I would normally not do this step because I have eyelash extensions. I don't wear mascara, but it's time to get my lashes done. And I don't have much left. Don't tell my eyelash girl. But I'm going to put some mascara on to just complete this look. I've been loving this Pat McGraw Fetish Eyes mascara. So we'll just add some mascara. Pretty. I like it. I like it. And then one of the final steps, I like to add a little bit of gold or glitter in the corners so when the light hits you can see that. And I'll be using Illuminati by what is it? By Artist Couture. Oh, my battery is dying. My camera battery is dying. It's blinking at me. I'm stressing. Just to be on the safe side, I did replace the battery. I would hate if it died on me in the middle of the situation. So just take a little pencil brush, I think that's what it's called, something that looks like this. And then take a little bit of that gold. It's called Illuminati. See the difference? Don't have it on this side, but we have it on this side. I'm gonna use this guy from Laura Mercier. Yeah, that's better. And I think that completes the look. Do we want a little bit more highlighter, or are we glowing enough? What do you think? I think we're got enough glow going on. So just take that setting powder and just lightly, like it's kind of like blend everything in with like a soft fluffy brush. And I always like to set my makeup with like a setting spray, which I have to grab by Urban Decay. Pretty much like bathe in this thing. I love this thing, but the scent, I can't say anything good about the scent. Alright guys, this is it. We're done with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do recreate this look, please tag me in it, because I want to see if when you follow the instructions if it really works, because I try not to skip any steps. Like I showed you everything I did. I wonder if you follow all the steps if the end result will look like this. I'm not saying it's necessarily good, the end result, but you guys wanted to see it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna get the hell out of here because I think I've been talking too much. And the reason I talk too much is because I'm stuck in my room all day. I don't see human beings. I only talk to myself. I don't think I should have shared that with you. I'm out of here. Bye guys. I'm back again. By the way, I think I need a nickname because my name is too long and most people cannot say it. So let's come up with a nickname for me. My name is Alina. I guess we can go by Allie, maybe? Unicorn? Queen? Yeah, let me know. Just comment below. Let's see. Like, let's give me a nickname. So then when I come and do my videos, I can introduce myself. I was like, hello, I'm so-and-so. Alright, bye.